present today sequence and series. So good morning everyone. Good morning all. Let us start today's lecture, and we are going to start the new chapter of IIT topic, IIT JEE, new topic, that is sequence and series. Okay. So we are going to start the new topic, sequence and series. Everyone join the live lecture. And yes, Prathamesh, please share in the group, tell them to join. Share in the group, please share in the group and tell them to join, everyone. Yes, sir. So now we are today starting with the sequence and series. Okay, sequence series problems we are going to start. And this is JEE mains and advanced, all you are going to cover it. And it's a very easy topic and interesting topic, and I'm going to teach you a little fast also this topic. Very good topic, this one. Yes, hi everyone, please say hi first of all. Yeah, thank you everyone. First of all, we are going to start sequence and series. This is very important topic of JEE mains and advanced. And this year on the 2nd September, on sequence and series, they asked 3 questions. Okay, actually every year sequence and series, only one question they will ask in exam. Okay, only one question they will ask, not many questions. They ask only one question, but this year they asked this year many questions. Okay, 3 questions in JEE. So now today I am going to explain all these things, dear students. Now we are going to start sequence and series. Okay, let us start the sequence and series topic now. So everyone, so good morning, welcome back to all, and we are going to start sequence and series. Okay, this is the new topic and very important topic for IIT. And this is I'm going to complete in 2 weeks, not much more than that, because it's not a very big topic. 2-3 weeks I will finish this chapter, and we'll start the new topic again. So here, let's start today's lecture. What is sequence and what is series? First of all, we have to know what is sequence and what is series. Okay, let's see here. You have seen sometimes like this, like these numbers you have seen here: 1, 4. Okay, 7. Can you tell me what I am going to get next? 1, 4, 7. Can you tell me what I am going to get next? Can you tell me what I am going to get next? Come on, boys. Come on, tell me. 1, 4, 7. What I am going to get next? 1, 4, 7. Next, what I am going to get? Yes, yes, 10. 10. Next, what I am going to get? Next, what I am going to get? Next, what I am going to get? Come on, quickly, quickly. 13. Yeah, next, what I am going to get? 16. Why you are able to tell? The gap here maintained is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Of adding of plus 3, you got this sequence. So, a numbers which follow certain pattern, the numbers which are follow certain pattern, they are okay. They are called as sequence. Sequence means the numbers which have follow certain pattern. So they follow some certain pattern. Okay, such they are called as sequence. Are you getting it? What I said? So okay, now you tell me now, if I am taking here 5, 10, 20, then what I am going to get? Quickly tell me. 5, 10, 20. Sorry, 5, 10, 15. Yeah, 15. Then what I am going to get next? What I am going to get next? So next I am going to get 20, 25, 30. Means it is following certain pattern plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. It is going some certain pattern plus 5. Now next tell me here now. Here. Now you just tell me here. 3, okay. 3, 6, 9, 12. Then what I am going to get? Can anybody tell me next what I am going to get here? 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. Then what I am going to get? So this is multiple of 3 2s are 6. Okay. I did wrong. Okay. I am going to give another one. Okay. Addition I gave. I gave addition. So here 3, 6, 9. That is addition I gave. Okay. 3, 6. If you have, this is also 3, 6, 9, 12. So again here plus 3. Plus 3 is the combo. Plus 3. So you are going to tell it. But if you have like this 3. Okay. 6, okay, 12, okay, 24. Can you tell me what I am going to get next? Can you tell me what I am going to get next? What I am going to get next? 3, 6, 12, 24. Next, what I am going to get here? So here it is multiplying with 2. 6 into 2, 12 into 2, 24 into 2, 48. 48 into 2. Like that, I am going to get 96. So 48, 9. So here, yeah. So here we are getting like this. So these numbers are following certain sequence, certain pattern. They are following certain pattern. So they are called as sequence. Okay, they are called as sequence. Now tell me now this one. Tell me here. I am going to explain you. So we are going to learn in detail all these things. Okay. Suppose you have like this. Suppose you have here 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 1, 2, 5. Okay. So next what I am going to get? Next what I am going to get? Can anybody tell me? See, this is I am getting like here 1 square plus 1. And this is I am getting as 2 square plus 1. Then I am going to get as 3 square plus 1. So I am going to get here 10. Next I am going to get as 4 square plus 1. That is I am going to get as 17. So like this sequence which I have there. So these are there. Yeah. So these are going to get it. Like one by one we are going to get. So such kind of things. Like here you have like you have 2. Suppose you have 2. Suppose here 2. Sorry. You have 2, 5, 10, 17 like this. So they are getting a 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1 like that. Okay. So these are the sequence you are going to get it. So here sequence is what is the meaning of sequence? Now I am going to tell you sequence. This is called as sequence. Our chapter name is sequence and series. Sequence and series. This is our topic. Okay? Our topic is what? Sequence and series. Sequence means any mathematical quantities. Any sequence means what here? Sequence means any mathematical quantities. Any mathematical quantities. Any mathematical quantities. Okay, any mathematical quantities like sine theta, cos theta. Okay, cos theta. These also sine theta, cos theta, log, x square, x cube. All these are extra things. These are the collection. So if you are writing these collections in a sequence manner, so that is called a sequence. Okay, like 1, 10, 39. So you are writing like these numbers. So such things are called as a sequence. We called as. Okay, you can write these are. So if you are identify first, second, so these are the collections are there. If you are going to identify what is first, what is second, so such are called as sequence. If you are going to identify what is first, second, like previous, what is the first term, what is second term, like that. So whenever these mathematical qualities, quantities, you are going to write like T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6 like this. Means term 1, term 2 like this. So such are called as sequences. Such are called as sequences. What is meaning of series? Series means what? Series means suppose I told 1 like I told here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is one sequence. Okay, this is one sequence. This is one sequence. But this sequence, if I write as 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus so and so. Suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. This is one sequence. If I write this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 so and so. So if you are writing terms plus 1, T1 plus like here if you are writing the terms, the term. So T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 plus like that when you are writing. So when you are writing terms in plus addition, they called as series. When you are writing only terms, that is called sequence. When you write only terms, that is called sequence. When you write term plus addition, you are writing addition. They are called as series. Did you understand what is sequence and what is series? Did you understand what is sequence and what is series? Did you understand what is sequence and what is series? Tell me fast, quickly. Did you understand what is sequence and what is series? Yeah. Tell me that whether you understood what is sequence and series. Yeah. Now what is progression? Progression means what? Progression is a sequence. Okay, progression is a sequence. Progression is a sequence. Okay, progression is a sequence with a definite rule. Definite rule means it is follows one rule. Like here, I want to say here 100. 100 is there. Then I got as 98. Then I got 96. Then I got 94. Like that. Okay, it means what happened here? -2, -2, -2. Certain number is subtracting here. Understood? Now you have here 2. Okay. Then 8. Okay. So here 2 into 4, 8 you got. So 8 into 4, 32 you got. Like that it is there. So by multiplication you got. Otherwise division. Suppose you have 100. 100 divided by 5, 20. 20 divided by 5. Okay, 20 divided by 5, 4. 4 divided by 5, 4 by 5. Like this it is there. So it is following a division rule, division by 5. It is multiplying by 5. It is subtracting by 2. So any sequence which follow a certain rule, they are called progressions. Okay. So one thing I am telling you here. So here suppose you have here 3, 4, 5. Suppose you have here 3, like here you have 6, 12, 18, 24, like this. It is there. So 6 plus 6. It is the addition of 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, you are doing plus 6, you are getting this one. So when it is following certain addition and subtraction, that is called as arithmetic progression. When it is following certain plus and minus, if the sequence is there, the sequence is getting plus or minus. You are getting plus or minus. That is called as arithmetic progression. Progression means what? Which has a certain rule. A sequence which has a certain rule, that is called progression. But when you have addition or subtraction, when you have a fixed number addition or subtraction, that is called arithmetic progression. When you have a certain sequence which is multiplication or division, that is called geometric progression. So we are going to learn these things, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. First, we are going to learn arithmetic progression. In this progression, there are types are there. Arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. There are progressions. Progression means which have follow certain rules. Means a progression which is follow certain rules, they are called as the sequence which is follow a certain rule, they are called progressions. A sequence which follow a certain rule, they are called progressions. Suppose if I have like this, I'll just tell you now. You just see this one. Let us listen to me carefully. X square, x cube, x power 4, x power 5, like this it is there. It means this is coming by multiplying by x. By multiplying by x, next term is coming. So it is a multiplication rule following. So it is a geometric progression. Like rule wise, there are progressions are there. So there are types of progressions are there. Types of progressions. So types of progressions, what are the types are there? One is arithmetic progression. Second is geometric progression. Third one is harmonic progression. Fourth one is AGP progression, arithmetic geometric progression. And fifth one is arithmetic co-geometric progression. Fourth one. Fifth one is special cases, special series. So in whole this chapter, we are going to learn these 5 topics. So these are the 5 topics we are going to learn in this whole topic. Okay, the whole topic we are going to learn these things. Okay, relationship, AM, GM, HM, geometrically relationship, AM greater than GM, maxima, minimum, all these things we are going to learn. Mainly these are the types of progression. Did you understand all? Now we are entering into the real topic. This is the basics which I want to tell you. What is the progression here? All these things. Okay. what we are going to learn is this topic in detail. Yeah, September 3rd, 3 questions they asked in September 2nd paper. So sometimes there actually one question should be asked from this chapter, but sometimes you get 2 questions or 3 questions also. It's not possible all the time. It's a rare case you get. Rare case is 2 questions. So here we are going to start this lecture now. Hope you have understood 5 types. Yes, 5 types. Okay, so these are the types we have. So let us discuss them. Okay, now let's discuss the arithmetic progression here. Today's lecture is on arithmetic progression. Dear students, today's lecture is on arithmetic progression. Okay, the first topic name is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So here we have the first lecture on arithmetic progression. We write as AP. AP, Andhra Pradesh, not Andhra Pradesh, AP this is. So here AP is what here? AP is defined. What is AP is? AP is a sequence. AP is a sequence. AP is a sequence whose term increases, whose term increases or decreases by a fixed number, by a fixed number. So that is called as arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Suppose A is the first term. Let us take A is the first term, and I am increasing this. The common difference is D. Common difference is D. Then the next term will be A plus D, means A plus D. Then the next term will be D will be added. This D, the common difference will be added. Then A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. Likewise, we are getting. Like here, I want to say here 1 is there. I am going to add plus 4. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, how much? 9. 9 plus 4, how much? So 9 plus 4, how much? 13. Likewise, here A is the first term. If I suppose, if A is my first term, then the second term will be A plus D. It means this is the first term is A. The second term, that is A plus D. Third term, that is A plus 3D. Okay. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Now what I want to tell you here, term wise I am going to tell you, listen to me carefully. If A is the first term, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, likewise it is goes. Okay, it means the first term is A, second term is A plus D. See this D has one coefficient. Okay, second means 2 minus 1 I got. So third means A plus, third means 2D I got, means 1 less. Fourth term means I got A plus 3D, means 1 less. Can you tell me what is the nth term? Nth term. If it is the second term, I get the. If it is the third time, I am getting D1 less. If it is the fourth time, I am getting D1 less. If it is the second term, I am getting D1 less. So here, if it is the first term, D is 0 here. Then the nth term will be A plus 1 less, N1 less. N1 less is N minus 1 into D. So nth term of arithmetic progression is A plus N minus 1 into D. So here the first term A plus D, A plus 2D, common difference, D is called common difference. So D is equal to nothing but T2 minus T1. D is equal to nothing but T2 minus T1. T2 means what here? A plus D minus T1 means A cancels, so you got D, see that. So always common difference is calculated as T2 minus T1. That is first term minus second term. T2 minus T1 means what? First term minus second term. First term minus second term minus first term. Sorry. Second term minus first term. That is D. And Tn is A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formation of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression will have A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So and so A plus N minus 1 into D. Are you getting here? A plus N minus 1 into D. So these things you have learned in 10th class. Okay. But it is my I have to start everything from the basic. That is my intention. I know you people know these things, but that is not the proper way of that. I just want to teach you everything from the basics to basic level to JE level, advanced and mains level. So you have to listen these all things. Fine. Now the question is, you find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms in sequence. In sequence. 4 comma 12 comma 20 comma 4 comma 12 comma 20 comma so and so 108. So you have to find the number of terms in this. You have to find the number of terms in this. Okay. How to find the number of terms whenever AP is given? This is the arithmetic progression we are learning. So 4 comma 12 comma 20 comma so and so 108. In this, how many are there? Like 1, 2, 3, like that, how many will be there? Terms. So A is the first term, A is the first term, A is equal to 4. So D is the common difference, the difference between T2 minus T1. That is 12 minus 4, that is 8. Then this is the last term we call, that is Tn, that is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is also called Tn and last term L. We denote as the general term also we call. Okay, Tn is also called as what here? Tn is called as general term, last term, and we can say like this. So it is denoted by Tn or L, both are same. Okay, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So Tn means this last term is 108. 108 is equal to 4 plus N minus 1. N minus 1 into D value is 8. So send what you have to do here. First, please 4 should send this side. Don't send this 8. That is a wrong mathematics. Send this place 4 this side. 108 minus 4 is equal to N minus 1 into 8. So now I am going to get as 104 is equal to N minus 1 into 8. So 104 divided by 8 is equal to N minus 1. So now you can cancel here 8 table. 8 ones are 8. You are going to cancel here 8 ones are 8. So 2 4 24. 8 3s are 24. Oh, sorry. Okay. So therefore I am going to get N minus 1 is equal to 13. Then N is equal to 14. So the number of terms like this will be countable terms are 14. 14 terms are the number of terms are countable in this. Okay. Are you getting it? Did you understand this? Understood, everyone? N is equal to 14. That's great. Yeah, come on, everyone. Others are not watching. You are not doing any comments. Please do it fast. Yes. Now you are going to learn today's lecture JE 2020 questions also. I am starting from basic. That don't think that I am going to not teach you JE questions. Today I am going to teach you JE 2020 question also. Okay, but the basic I need to start. That is my intention. So let's see here. Carl Friedrich Gauss, a mathematician. See here, 14 terms. Yeah, listen here. I just want to tell you a nice story which has happened in Carl Friedrich Gauss as a mathematician. Carl Friedrich Gauss is a mathematician. When he was in fifth class in the classroom, a teacher is asked to him to find the sum of these numbers. Like he's asked, the teacher is asked when he was in fifth class. Okay, he's asked like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so and so plus 100 is how much? Plus 100 is how much? When you just think that he is in the fifth class, Carl Friedrich Gauss is known as the Prince of Mathematics. So here, the Carl Friedrich Gauss, you know him, is the Prince of Mathematics. So when he was in the fifth class, a teacher is asked him that to find what is the sum of this 100 numbers. Okay, so he has given the answer in 2 minutes. Can you give me the answer? Can you tell me the answer? What is the story time? Yes. Now, can you tell me the answer? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 100 is how much? And the Carl Friedrich Gauss is taken 1 minute time. He answered it. So I am going to give you 1 minute time. Yeah, 5050 Prathamesh Patil, you are right. Yes. So you are right here. Everyone, I think you know these things. Right. What he did here like this. This is the thing is it. So he write as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so and so plus 99 plus 100. He wrote like this. And then he has started writing reverse. Are you getting it? What I am explaining, are you getting it or not? Are you getting it? Yes, 5050. You all right. Very great. Very great. You people are very great. So what he did here, he started writing reverse. Means he wrote 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus so and so he came 2 plus 1. And he added this. So s plus s is how much you got? 2s. Sum. S means sum. 2s is equal to 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus like this 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus 101. Like this 101s, how many you get? 100 101s you get. 100 101s you get. Then s is equal to how much? 100 into 101 by 2. So it's cancelled 5 times. So if you multiply 5050 like this, the Carl Friedrich Gauss is answered when he was in the 5th standard. So using this, I'm going to explain you some of the terms in the sequence and series. Then after we are going to start JEE 2020 questions. Okay. So let me explain you in detail how to find the sum of the series of the arithmetic progression. Okay. Hope you understand. Yes, everyone. Manisha Jagatap. Who is that? Dr. Manisha Jagatap. Thank you so much. Yeah. Let's see here. We are going to learn now how to find the sum of the six. Here, you know, AP will be what? A. Oh, A is the first term. Okay. The second term is A plus D. Next third term is A plus 2D. So and so. Can you tell me what is the last two terms? Last two terms. A plus n minus 2 into D plus A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. This is the sequence and series. We are doing S is this one. I am deriving the formula of sum of the series of an AP. So then, as per the Carl Friedrich Gauss, let us start. This is also writing reverse. So I wrote here A plus n minus 1 into D plus, here I wrote this one term, and A plus n minus 2 into D. I wrote the same thing. And I'm coming back to this here, the last term here, A plus D, here will be A. So I'm writing like this. Now I'm going to do addition of this. Then I'm going to get the sum of the series of the arithmetic progression here. Are you getting it here? Yeah, all of you are getting or not? So now S plus S is I'm going to get 2S. 2S is equal to. Now you add this one, the first term of this and the first term of this. A plus A, I am going to get 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Look at this. Look at this. I'm adding this here first term, here first term. Here you have A and here you have A plus n minus 1 into D. And this value is going to get 2A plus n minus 1 into D, dear students. So this is I got. If I add this one, I'm going to get the same thing. A plus, and if I add this bold n minus 2 plus 1, that is I'm going to get at n minus 1 into D. Means I'm going to get repeatedly 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here also I'll get as 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And last term also I get as 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Can you tell me like this how many I'll get? Because these are n terms. This is the nth first term and this is the nth term. So I am going to get n terms like this. So 2s is equal to, these are 101 is 100 times. Like this 2a plus n minus 1 into d will get n times. So n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, the sum of n terms, so Sn I can write. Sn I can write because I am writing Sn. In the previous, I can write S100 because it is sum of 100 terms. So this is Sn, I can write n terms. So Sn is equal to formula, I am going to get n by 2, a plus n minus 1 into d, dear students. So this is the formula for sum of the n terms of an AP, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Are you getting it here? Yes, everyone listen to me. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This can be written as Sn is equal to n by 2, this 2a, can I break this one? A plus n minus 1 into d. Can I break this? Can I break this? Yes. So did you see anywhere this thing? N by 2, a plus. Did you see this one, what we called as Tn, last term, that is al. So these are the formulas. These are the beautiful formulas of arithmetic progression. Okay. Aryabhatta has introduced all these things. Aryabhattiyam, in the book of Aryabhattiyam, he has given all the things. So Sn is equal to Sn is equal to formula we have derived. This is sum of the n natural numbers. The sum of the AP terms. Sum of n terms in the AP is nothing but n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or another one is n by 2, a plus l. Okay, this is the formula of this. Okay, hope you understand. This is the sum of the terms in the AP. We have derived it. Hope you understand. Correct? Is it okay for you all? Yes, everyone. Yes, yes. Manisha Jagatap means what is your name? Your name? Yeah. Understood? 21 watching. Yeah. Tell me here, do you understand this? Do you understand? Come on, tell me here. Yes, that's great. That's great. That's great. So here we are going to learn one by one all the things. So here, so one question I'm going to give, very simple question. Then we are going to start IIT 2020 question. We are going to do 2020 question. Yes. First, I will give you a small question. Then we are going to enter into the IIT question. So there is the sixth term. The question is the sixth term, the sixth term, the sixth term, and the 11th term. 11th term of an AP is 17 comma 17 and 32. Okay, then find T28. This is the question. Okay, simple question it is. So we will solve this, then we are moving on to the next question. Okay, everyone, look at here, tell me the answer now quickly. Everyone, Athar, okay, Athar, very good, great, good. Athar, yeah. Viraj, yes. Yes, now we have to stand this one, T6. T6 is how much is given? T6 is given 17 here. Okay, 6th term and 11th terms are respectively this. So T6 is the 17 here. T11th is the 32 is given. And is asking to find T28. Very simple question. You have know this. After this, we are going to do IIT question. Okay. Let's see, at T6 we can write as A plus 5D, that is equal to 17. This is the first equation. T11 we can write as what? A plus 10D. Okay. If you don't know Tn formula, you know Tn formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into D, correct? So T11 means nothing but A plus 11 minus 1 into D, that is 10D. Okay. You know all these things in 10th class. Okay. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Let us solve these two equations. So you get A and D values. Then you can find T28. So here we are going to solve this. A plus 5D is equal to 17. A plus 10D is equal to 32, dear students. Now we are going to do subtraction. This is cancel out, and minus 5D is equal to how much it is? I hope it is 50. Minus 15. So minus minus cancel. D is equal to 3. Yes, D is equal to 3. Substitute here. Substitute in the first equation. So I am going to get here A plus 5 into 315 is equal to 70. Okay. So let us start today's lecture on the JEE questions. Okay. So let's take one question. It is asked in 2020. You will surprised by seeing that question. Did they asked in 2020 this simple question in arithmetic progression? Yes, they asked, and you need to know this one. This is asked in 8th January 2020. This question is asked in 8th January this year, 8th January 2020, shift 2. The question is follows here. The question is saying that for an AP, T10 is equal to 1 by 20, and T20 is equal to 1 by 10. T20 is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so that's the reason I explained the previous question. T10 is equal to 1 by 20, T20 is equal to 1 by 10. Find the sum of first 200 terms. And this is the JEE 2020 question, dear students. See how easy question they asked. Sum of the 20 terms for an AP. T10 is equal to 1 by 20, T20 is 1 by 10. Find the sum of first 200 terms. This is the JE question. Let us solve this, how to solve it. Let us see how to solve these questions, everyone. So those who have feel as disconnected, it will be connected again. Stay on the line. Stay on the line. Like, okay, look at here. T10 is equal to 1 by 20. T10 can be written as what? A plus 9D. A plus 9D is equal to 1 by 20. Are you getting it? This is one equation. Next, what is given next? T20 is equal to 1 by 10. This is can be written as A plus 19D is equal to 1 by 10. This is the second equation, dear students. Are you getting it? Let me know the answer quickly, everyone. Let us see here. A plus 9D is equal to 1 by 20. This is the first equation. A plus 19D is equal to 1 by 10. This is the second equation. Let us solve. Minus, minus, minus. Cancel out. Okay, then you are getting 10D, minus 10D, minus 10D, correct? Are you getting or not? Minus 10D is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10 dear students. Are you getting or not? Are you getting or not? So minus 10D is here, you got as minus 10D is equal to, let us take 20, 10 there, 200 is the LCM. So 20 table here, 200 is the LCM? No, 20 is the LCM, right? 20 is the LCM. So 20 is the LCM. So you get 1 minus 2 table 20 times. So you get here minus 10D is equal to minus 1 by 20. Minus minus cancel. D is equal to 1 by 20 into 10. That is, I am going to get D is equal to 1 by 200. D is equal to 1 by 200, dear students. D is equal to 1 by 200. D is equal to 1 by 200. Substitute in any of these equations. So you are going to get A value. Okay. Can you tell me what is A? Come on quickly. Yes, correct answer. You are right. 100, 1 by 2 is the right answer. Jayankar. Yes. Jayankar, you are right. Samiksha Nagare, you are right. So options I did not give, but you did the answer. Very great. Good. So D is equal to 1 by 20 here. So D is equal to 1 by 20. A is equal to 1 by 200. Sorry, 1 by 200. Just substitute this D value here. And you get A value 1 by 200. D value 1 by 200. And then you need to find what S220. S200. S200 formula we can write as 200 by 2. 200 by 2. Right, n by 2. N by 2 formula you know na? N by 2. N by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So just you can find from that, you are going to get the answer. So first 200 terms, so n is 200. N is equal to 200. You have to substitute here. So here Sn formula is this. So you get here 200 minus 1. 200 minus 1 here. 200 minus 1. And you know D values all you got. You just substitute here. S200 is equal to 100. You cancel this one, you get 100. 100 into 2 into A value 1 by 200 and plus 199. This is 199. 199 into D value is 1 by 200. Just simplify this, you are going to get the answer. Yes, that is the way you need to solve this question. Yes, 100. Yes, 100 1 by 2 is the right answer. Samiksha, correct. Samiksha and Sarth Goi, you are right. So hope you understand this. Hope you understand this is 2020 question. 2020 this year question. Okay. So S200 is equal to what I am going to get here. S200 is equal to I am going to get 100 into. So you can cancel, this is 100 times. So 1 by 100 plus here you can get inside 2 multiply there 199 by, if I multiply 199 by 200, you are going to get this much, because only this 2 into AB plus 99, that is only. So S200 is equal to 100 into, I am going to get here 200 by, so here you can take 200 is the LCM here, 200 is the LCM. So you are going to get here 2. You are going to get here 2 plus 199. So you are going to get S200 is equal to 100 into, this is I am going to get as how much? 201 upon 200. So right. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So 201 by 2. 201 by 2, that is 101 by 2. So 201 by 2 is nothing but 101 by 2. The answer is 101 by 2. So option was there. The option was B is the right option. Okay. Hope you understand this. Okay. Let us move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question now. Hope you understand this. Hope you understand this, right? Let's move on to the next question. So this is also the question asked in 7th January 2020. Again 2020 question. 2027 January. Let 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 18 plus so and so is equal to 40 terms, that is equal to they given S. Sum is S, and they said as if S is equal to 108 into M, then M is equal to dash. Then M is equal to dash. Again here 2020 question. The first lecture I am explaining the 2020 question. Okay. So option A you are getting 20. Option B you are getting 25. Option C is 10. Option D is 5. Let us see here who is going to be right. Yes, 2020 everyone. Yes, understood everyone. Right. Let us solve the question now, dear students. Now the question is solved here. See, you need to see whether it is there in AP or not. Look at there. 3 plus, yeah, this is looks that one gap, and this is not one gap. So it is not looks like that. But exactly if you find this, 3 plus 4, it is 7. 8 plus 9, 17. They has given tricky this one. Tricky. Yeah. So next you are going to get 27. Are you getting it? 27. Likewise you are getting 27 plus 47. Like that you are getting. Like how many terms? 40 terms are there, but when I am taking two terms, then it is becomes 20 terms. When I am taking addition of this, they will become it's 20 terms. Are you getting it? It's going to become 20 terms, dear students. So A is equal to 7, B is equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to 10. So A you have, D you have to N you have, N is 20 terms. And you have to find S, that is sum. Sum is equal to formula N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S20, Sn, N means here 20. S20 is equal to how much? S20 is equal to 20 by 2, 2 into A value 7 plus N minus 1, 20 minus 1 into D in 10. This was S20. And they given this total value is how much? 102 into M. Then is asking to find the M value. This is 2020, dear students. 2020 question, January month. Okay. Let's see S20 how much I am going to get. S20 they given how much? S20, this is a sum. Sum is given 102. 102 M is equal to, this is cancelled 10 times. 10 is equal to 2 sevens are 14 plus 19 into 10. If it is becoming fast, you let me know. I am explaining little fast, let me know. Okay. If you want, I will explain slow. Otherwise, you watch again later. So 102 into M, 102 into M equal to 10 into, I feel that you already knows these things. So I am explaining little fast. 190. So 102 into M is equal to 10 into, if you add this one, how much I am going to get? 204, correct? 204, correct? Yeah. So 102, it's cancelled 2 times. M is equal to 20 is the answer. Done. J 2020, 2 questions done in the first lecture. So are you getting it, everyone? You're getting or not? Option A, right answer. Yes. 2020, option A. Yeah. Namit, everyone. Yeah, everyone in form. Right now you are in form. See here, permutation combination is the topic. Like I need to teach slow. Some topics will be there. that I have to teach slow. So them I will teach slow. But some other topics will be there. I need to teach fast. So they I will teach fast. Okay. Is it okay to you all? Yes, yes, yes. So are you understanding? Everyone, let me know you are understanding or not. Now let us solve next question. Now I am going to explain you all previous year questions now. We are solving all previous year questions now. Yes, yes. Now let us solve another question. Yes, dear students. The next question is here like this. This is the question is asked AI EEE 2006. So the question is here follows. Question here follows is let A1 comma A2 comma A3 so and so. This is important. Make it star for this. I'm going to explain one more 2015 based on this. I'm going to explain 2015 question. So mark it this. A1, A2, A3, so and so be terms of an AP. Be the terms of an AP. Terms of an AP if A1 plus A2 plus A3, A1 plus A2 plus A3 divide by A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so and so AP, okay, plus AP divided by A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so and so plus AQ is equal to P square by Q square, P square by Q square, where P is not is equal to Q, where P is not equal to Q, and then is asking to find term number 6, A6 by A21 is equal to how much? Option A is 41 by 11. Option B is 7 by 2. Option C is 2 by 7. Option D is 11 by 41. Now let's see here. Let's see next question here, dear students. Yeah. Everyone look at this and try to understand this. Okay. So here we are going to learn in detail this chapter, all previous year questions with all the concepts. We are going to learn this is very quickly. Yes, everyone understands? Yeah. Please give the reply as soon as you understand. Okay, fine. Say the reply in the between. Okay, now let us look at here. Let us look at here. So here is saying A1, A2, A3 are the terms of AB. Okay, A1, A2, A3 are the terms of AP. Okay, this is the first term. A1 is the first term. A2 is the second term. A3 is the third term, like that. So they said as sum of the P terms. Look at here, the meaning you need to understand. They said as sum of the P terms upon sum of the Q terms of an AP is P square by Q square. Sum of the P terms upon sum of the Q terms of an AP is P square by Q square. Then is asking that what is the ratio of TP by TQ means sum of SN, sorry, SP by SQ. They're given as SP by SQ. Actually, you need to understand the question. SP by SQ is P square by Q square. Then is asking to find T6 by T21 is how much? Understand this, dear students. The question is very simple here. They have A1, A2, A3 are the terms of AP. A1, A2 means term 1, term 2, term 3. They are in AP. Sum of the P terms, that is the sum of the P terms, SP is equal to P square. Sum of the Q terms, SQ is equal to Q square, where P and Q are not equal. That is mandatory. Okay. Then T6 by T21 is how much? That is the question. Okay. Such type of question 3 to 4 times JE asked. In previous year question paper, you can see, you will find 3 to 4 questions, such kind of questions. Okay, such kind of question 3 to 4 times, repeatedly asking this question. So make it star for this. This is very, very, very important. Okay, are you getting it? Are you getting it, everyone? Please reply quickly. So if you like this section, this live lecture, please press the like button. Yeah, look at here. Sum of the n terms. So here this is the SP. Sum of n terms. Sum of p terms formula. Can you tell me sum of p terms of a SP formula? SP formula p by 2, p by 2, p by 2, 2, 2a1. First term is a1, 2a1 plus p minus 1 into what is d? D we will keep d only. Let us take common difference is d. First term is a1. We will keep d is d only. Common difference d. Don't write a2 minus a1. Don't write a2 minus a1. Common difference we keep as common difference. Common difference I take as a d only. And the first term is the first term. Let us take it is a. The first term is a, common difference is d. So this by, and this one is what I'm going to get here, q by 2 into what I'm going to get, tell me fast quickly, 2a1. The first term is a1. Same, see here, a1, a2, a3 are same of sequence. And a1, a2 are same. But this is pth term, this is qth term. Are you getting it? A pth term, qth term. But it is the same sequence, same series, same sequence, same AP. Okay. So a plus q minus 1 into d, and this value they given p square, and this value they given q square. Okay, the therefore 2 gets cancelled, this p gets cancelled, this q gets cancelled because I am sending that side. So what I am going to get, tell me now. What I am going to get, tell me now. What I am going to get, tell me now. 2a1 plus p minus 1 into d upon 2a1 plus q minus 1 into d is equal to p by q. Everyone understanding or not? Board is not visible properly, sir. Are you sure? Board is not visible properly? Is it like that? Is it, are you sure now? Is it okay? Okay. Complete board you are not able to see. You're not able to see complete board. Now is it okay? Is it okay now? Yeah. Jayankar Nagare, yeah, fine. Is it okay now? Is the board is okay now? Come on, quickly tell me. Everybody answer quickly, yeah. If you are getting problem, I will change the direction. Is the board is okay now? Right now, is it okay? You're not getting all the okay. I'll do one thing. I'll make it back. Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah. What I am going to do here now, everything is okay. Now you are able to see complete board. Yeah. Now see here. Let A1, A2, A3 be the terms of AP. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so and so AP upon A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus AQ is equal to the given P square by Q square. So this is the sum of P terms, SP. This is the sum of Q terms, XQ. SP by SQ is equal to P square by Q square. Is asking to find A6 by A21. That is term 6 by term 21 value is how much? Are you getting? So what I did here, common difference I took D. Common difference I took D. First term I took A. Common difference I took D. No, camera, it is not possible to zoom now. Yeah. Okay, you can listen now this question, then after I'll make it again. Okay. So now it is okay. Now you got this side. So common difference is that this one is this. Okay. Now look at here. So after this you understood. See here, I am not using anything here. Sum of P terms formula I used. Okay, sum of the P terms. Sum of the P terms formula is what? Sum of the P terms. Sum of the P terms formula is what? P by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The P, n is P here. N is P, first term is A1, and the common difference is D. Common difference I am taking D, and the first term is A1 of the same arithmetic progression. So you got this one. You understood? Now you want to get A6 by A21. Okay, you want to get A6 by A21. So A6 by A21 can be written as, I can write as A plus 5D upon, means A1 plus 5D, means this is the term of this, A1 plus 5D upon A1 plus, the first term is A1 plus 20D should be there. So this value is asking. So here must be have A1, here must be have A1. So divide by 2 on both sides, divide by 2. So I wrote that all the things to make you understand, that's it. This is not required, okay. So pth term, qth term they given. So now if I divide by 2, I am going to get what here? A1. If I divide by 2, A1 divide by 2, then I get as P minus 1 upon 2 into D upon here A1 plus here that I am going to get as Q minus 1 divide by 2 into D. This is I got as P by Q. This is I got as P by Q. It means that I want to find here P value here. That is what my intention. So A1 plus 5D will be equal to this one. So if you equate this, this is equivalent to that. I am going to get as P minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. So I am going to get how much here? P minus 1 is equal to 10. So P is equal to 11 I got. P is equal to 11. So P is equal to I got 11. So this value I got 11. Okay. Now next one is what here? P is equal to 11 I got. Now let's Q also will find. So Q minus 1 by 2 is equal to, I can use here, this is 20, equal to 20. Q minus 1 by 2 is equal to 20 here. So I am going to get Q minus 1 is equal to 40. So Q is equal to 41. So the answer will be P by Q, that is 11 by 41 is the answer. The answer is 11 by 41. Yes, 11 by 41 is the answer. So 11 by 41 is the answer. Is it okay now? You are able to see board? I will write wherever is there, I'll write in that place only. Okay, I don't write outside of that. I don't write the outside now. Now onwards, I will take care of this. Yeah. So is it understood now? Yes, understood now? Understood? Did you understand? How many of you not understand? Let me know. How many of you not understand? Let me know. How many of you not understand? If you understand, okay, fine, great. Yes, understood. Let us go to the next question, which is asked in 2015 now. So you are able to see the board, right? Now I cannot do any adjustments now. Understood. Yes. So the next question is 2015 question. 2015, then we will start learning the properties of arithmetic progression. After this, we will start learning the properties and then we will solve the problem. So this is the last question for today's lecture. Tomorrow we will learn the properties. Okay, tomorrow we will learn the properties. So now the question is, suppose you are able to see the board, right? Yes. Suppose you're able to see, yeah. Suppose that all the terms of an AP, that all the terms of an AP, all the terms of an AP, okay, all the terms of AP are natural numbers. All the terms of AP are natural numbers. Okay, all the terms of AP is natural numbers. You are able to see the board? Yeah. All the terms of AP is natural numbers. If the ratio of the sum of the first 7 terms, S7, ratio of the sum of the first 7 terms to the sum of the first 11 terms, the ratio of this is 6 by 11. and the seventh term lies in between, and the seventh term lies in between in between in between in between 130 and 140. 130 and 140. 130 and 140. 130 and 40. Then common difference of this AP is dash. Then common difference of this AP is dash. This AP is dash, and this question is asked here in the year 2015. 2015 this question is asked. So dear students, let us discuss this question in detail. This is the last question for today's lecture, and tomorrow we'll start the properties of arithmetic progression. So we'll start tomorrow the properties of arithmetic progression. As per the today's, this is the last question. So here, suppose that all the terms of an AP are natural numbers. S7 by S11 is 6 by 11. Seventh term lies between 130 and 140. Then is asking the common difference of this AP. Can anybody tell me the answer? You're able to tell the answer? Now tell me. Are you able to tell the answer? Are you able to tell the answer? Okay, I will explain it now. So here, quickly I'll explain here. S7 formula is what? 7 by 2. 7 by 2. A plus 7 minus 1. 6. 6D divided by 11 by 2 into 2A plus 11 minus 1, that is 10D, that is equal to, they given 6 by 11. Okay, this is what they given. 2 gets cancelled. Are you getting it? Are you getting or not? Yeah. So what I got here, so 7 by 11 I have, right? So 2 gets cancelled. So if you don't know here, 7 by 2 and this one is 2 by 11, you do it, you get a 7 by 11 only. Are you getting it now? At least now. So now here 7 by 11, 7 you cannot cancel, but 11 can cancel out. So 11 can cancel out. So what I got here, 7 into 2A plus 6D is equal to 6 into 2A plus 10D, because this 11 will be cancelled out. Okay, then what I'm going to get here, 14A plus. Are you getting? Is it correct? Did you understand? Yes, getting? Are you getting or not? Okay, so 7 into 7 6 is 42D. 42D is equal to 6 to the 12A plus 60D. Okay, this much you are getting. So if you send this side, 2A is equal to, I am going to get how much? 16D. Okay, so A is equal to how much I am getting? A is equal to 9D. If I cancel 2 table, this one 2 table, 18D, I get 18 here. 18 I'll get. So cancel 9D. So A is equal to 9D I got. That is asking that seventh term. Seventh term means T7. What is they given? T7 they given. T7 is lies between 130 and 140. So T7 can be written as A plus 60. That is equal to 140 and 130. So A value is 9D. Substitute here 9D. So 130 is in between of 9D plus 6D is 140. So that is 15D. 15D is in between of 140 and 130. So 15 divide that side. D is in between of 140 by 15 and 130 by 15. Okay. So you can simplify that. You can cancel that one. 5 table. Okay. 15D. Sorry. 15D will be there. So 15D is there. 15D. Okay. You do one thing. 15D don't send this side. You do it here. I can explain you here. Question I'll erase. Okay. I'll explain you here. That is, I'm going to get here. If I divide by 5 table you can divide here. So 130 by 5 and here 15 by 5, and here 140 by 5. Okay, 5 table you can divide it. 5 table if you divide, you get as 26 into 3D is in between of 28. And if you divide 3 this side and this side, 3 this side and this side, D will be 28 by 3 and 26 by 3. This is I am going to get as 9 point something. And this is I am going to get as 8 point something. So D is a natural number. D is the natural number between 8 point something, 9 point something. So D value will be 9. D value will be 9 because this is 8 point something. I'll get 3 divided by 26. 3 8s are 24, 2.0, 2 6 are 18. So 8.6 something. And this is 3 divided by 28. 3 9s are 27 and 1.0, 3 3s are 9.3 something. So D value is in between of 8.6 and 9.3. That is D value is 9. Hope you understand. We have finished today's lecture. Till then, so we will meet tomorrow with the properties of arithmetic progression. We will meet tomorrow using properties of arithmetic progression. We'll finish tomorrow arithmetic progression. We'll finish tomorrow arithmetic progression, and then we are going to start geometric progression day after tomorrow. I hope we will finish. If not possible, day after tomorrow we'll finish it. So hope you understand this. Yeah. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Yes, Nikita K. Yes, Nikita K. 9 answer. Correct. Yes, yes. Okay, bye. Yeah. Everyone, take care. Bye-bye. I have to take 12th class lecture. Nikita K. Suhana. Yes, understood. Very good. Suhana, you are here. Very good. Very good. Viraj. Yes, yes. Okay, everyone, those who are there, and then, yeah, bye. You can say bye. Yes, yes. You have understood, right? Take care. Bye-bye.